Hi, welcome to the Computer Learning Council channel. My name is Sam, and in today's video, we're going to walk through how to fix Quick Assist when your computer starts popping up an error message saying, "Try again later, something went wrong on our end." The issue seems to be a persistent problem, even after pressing the Help Someone button multiple times in an attempt to establish a connection with the Microsoft server, and restarting the computer does not seem to resolve the issue either. Press the Start button at the bottom of your screen. Then click on the Settings icon. On the left pane of the Settings window, find the Apps icon and click on it. And then under the Apps main group, click on the top bar that says Installed App. Now in the search bar, type Quick Assist. Once the app is found, click on the three dots to the right-hand side of the Quick Assist bar. And from the pull-down menu, select Advanced Options. Now scroll down until you reach the Reset section. Click on the Repair button, and then try to run the Quick Assist application after all the repairs have been applied. If the problem still persists and you are still getting the error message, then go ahead and press on the Reset button. After all the reset processes have finished, you can try running the application again. If you still can't run Quick Assist after both the reset and repair options have been applied, don't despair. You can still try one more thing. Go ahead and press on the Uninstall button, and after the application has been removed, press on the X button to close the settings panel. To reinstall Quick Assist, we need to open the Windows Store. There should be a small icon for the store in the bottom Windows bar. If the icon is missing for any reason, you can click into the search bar and type Store, and click on the best match. Click on the top search bar of the store's window and type Quick Assist. And from the resulting pull-down choices, press on the Quick Assist icon. Click on the Get button, and that should reinstall the application. After installation is complete, you can launch the application to check if it is working. By now, you should not be getting any error messages and your issue hopefully resolved. Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope it helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.